Hello and welcome to a Photoshop Proficiency test assignment. This one is going to connect you with clipping masks. So to start out, let me just point out I do not have a default workspace. I have only opened up from window layers, which I put over here, and I've opened up colors over here. Now let's take a look at layers. We've got 3 layers and then just a layer down at the bottom that has nothing in it. Now you can turn them on and off, so now you can see that there's really nothing. This layer is awake, but there's nothing in it. So we're going to start out with B1, and we're going to open that folder, and you can see that there are 2 items in the folder. There is line art, and there's a background shape, which is a mask, which is just the area of the actual shape of the bee in total, not just the line art area. So the first thing we're going to do is you're going to clip on this and change the color. I want to see that color changed. And then what you're going to do here on the actual line art is you are going to add an adjustment layer above it. You're going to add a solid color above it, and let's pick red maybe. And as you can see, that's filled the entire new layer that you created as an adjustment layer, and it's blocked out everything. But what you're going to do now is, while you've selected that layer, that active layer that has an adjustment layer of red in it, you're going to go up here to the hamburger menu and you're going to say Create Clipping Mask. And now you can see that that color has applied itself only to the layer directly below it. So now you're going to collapse that. You're going to be doing the same thing with all these other bees, waking it up. First you're going to change the fill color. Let's just do something a little more fun. I'll do something orange. And now you're going to select on that line art, and now you're going to, while you're selecting that layer, you're going to add a solid color layer. Let's go maybe blue, random selection here. And then while you're still in that layer, you're going to create a clipping mask. And collapse that folder again. Last item, wake up, same thing. First change the fill color. And then while you're actively in that line art layer, you're going to create a solid color. Let's go with something purple maybe. And then you're going to, while you're still selecting that, you're going to go up to the hamburger menu and say, create a clipping mask. So it's really just clipping that color to that bee. And now for the very last thing, I want you to, I'm going to be checking this because you're going to be saving this work as a PSD, so I'll be able to see all this wonderful stuff. Let's collapse that folder here. And the last thing we're going to do, we're going to get down to layer 1. And we're going to go here and we're just going to add a gradient color. And it's going to be, you need to do a radial one. And I don't want to see the default one. Do something, something other than just a gray one. So you can try that. And then I do want to point out, once you click OK, while you're in that layer, you can go to this tool and you can change the rate of erosion from one color to the other. You could change the size of it here, and then you could move there. So I just want to point that out. And when you are done with that decision making, you are going to File, Save As. You're going to save it as a PSD, a Photoshop PSD, but you're going to replace this with your name and save it and submit it to complete this assignment.